information.
Where you from? Philippines?
Yeah, where?
Mindanao, Butuan. Oh, really? Philippines.
No. He has been friend.
Oh,
And he has friends over there. So.
where in the Philippines? Did you go? Cebu? No.
I don't know.
Davao. I hope that the court will already give us
Ja, ik hoop dat ze nog een rondje langs jullie maken aan Tito dan.
the decision favorable to our former president so that we're gonna be gone here for good. Because we just wait for his freedom. Soon.
And that's the whole reason why you're studying.
Yeah, that's why we are here. Exactly. Yeah, because we are extending what's happening here to the entire Filipino community all over the world. So that's why if we need to get a permit, if we need to get all the legal stuff, we get it so that everybody will feel safe.
But you guys know the rules. This is the section you need to go.
Yeah, we were there.
Because people already complained.
Oh, okay.
I understand the complaints.
But you know that we are also just doing our how do I say that, guaranteed right? That this is just a public sphere. But before we understand if we stay longer.
It's demonstration.
Oh yeah. No, we are not demonstrating also. What we are doing right now, especially we understood here, we take a video and then we go there because that's where we know we can. Sorry, I'm really sorry for the inconvenience, sir, but we are.
No, that's okay. I'm glad you understand it.
Yeah, we understood. We've been here for 6 months already.
It's quite a long time.
Yeah. Every day. Yeah.
Thank you.
It's nice. It's all the whole body. The whole arms.
Sleeve, yeah.
My back.
Ah, okay.
The front is Chinese Jordan.
Dat is wat ik moet doen. Ja.
And sometimes, sir, most of the Filipinos coming here are from different places. So that's why they don't know the rules also. But for us, we from the Netherlands, we know that they just come here. And
Okay.
that's why.
You understand it.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. And if you guys just want to go up there and just
Yeah.
if somebody comes to you and they also want to stand over there, that's okay. And if you see someone here, just call them.
Yeah. Yeah.
Verder vandaag.
Alright.
Ja, goed leuk.
Thank you.
But you're making a video
Yeah.
about what?
About an interview from them because basically what's happening is that the family visits the former president and then the entire Filipino community wants to know how he is, how he's doing. It's basically just a normal Q&A portion because this person inside the ICC detention is one of the most beloved person in the Philippines, the most popular even in political history of the Philippines. So I know it's quite different from the Dutch culture and politics, but this person is very much loved by a lot of individuals.
Okay.
So yeah, we just ask questions, simple questions, and sometimes it is difficult ones. How the case is going.
Our president is here because he hit America. He said, fuck you, Obama.
Yeah.
That's why he's here. Now the new president is
Friends with America.
friends with America.
Yeah.
I don't know a lot
That's
about
sad.
Yeah,
That is sad.
it's all about
cannot
politics.
talk. I
Yeah.
don't know what the president.
Me neither.
Yeah. But just to explain with you guys what
that's
we do.
okay.
Yeah.
I understand.
So it's basically a simple question and answer, and that's it. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Good luck,
You have more questions, sir? No, that's it. Yeah.
That's it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Bye bye. Totoo naman talaga na this is about America. America man talaga. Oo. Sinabi ko sa akin. Bakit? Hindi ba nila alam na ikaw yun?
Video ko
Hindi sa akin.
Ako din, nag-video rin ako.
Totoo man yun.
Totoo man. Diba? Nung sinabi ni, hindi, alam mo,
Totoo, pumunta talaga Amerikano
sabi
dito.
alam mo kahit may mga nakakausap ako, yun ang sinabi nila. The reason why talaga,
Nandito si tatay.
is because, naging ano siya, alam naman natin na yung foreign policy niya is against America.
America.
And America wants to control everyone.
Mm-mm.
So,
Independent kasi ayaw na yung Amerika ng gano'n. Kasi namumulis kasi yung Amerika sa lahat eh.
so ganyan, kaya ang dahilan siya nandito. The rest, yung mga invento na lang ng politika, alam naman natin, may utang na loob si Marcos sa Amerika. Kaya, Nandito siya. Na-video ko siya. Actually, naka-video ko.
Ah,
Pero upload ko na lang pagka-uwi ko na para hindi ako hulihin.
Sir.
Oh.
So, mamaya daw. Listening link. Sa nightlife.
Saan?
Pwede ka? Nightlife ba? Listening link. Sabi ko. Dapat namin lang. Bawal ang sab.
More reinforcements yun. Because, you know, the people here are saying that we are demonstrating. We are not demonstrating. They don't understand the culture.
Bilis sa mga kaliwa mag-report mo.
Oh, ang bilis. Ang bilis. They're so fast in reporting, mga kababayan. akala kasi nila mga pulis, pag hindi mo alam yung batas dito, inaano ka nila niya, tinatakot ka. Pag paano-ano ka lang yung pangpasiga-siga lang yung mata mo, yung
Ang taray mo nga eh.
hindi nga.
Pakuhanan ko yung taray mo doon.
Hindi nga, joke.
Oh.
Ano
Panis.
talaga na siya, ano?
Ganun ang katarayan. Hindi ang taray, hindi ginagawa sa kapwa vlogger, dapat ang taray ginagawa sa kalaban. Diba? May humba kaya dyan? May humba? Pag wala yung
Talaga to sa banat pa. Ano ka talaga to? Kahapon, may umba kahapon. Pahamak talaga to. Banat na. Kumain ako. Hindi, ano lang. Hindi ako kumain. Hindi, busog kasi ako kahapon. Busog kasi ako kahapon. Ay, maate kaya hindi ako kumain. Sobrang, ito na.
Sinong nandiyan? Si Janet ulit?
Nandito lahat ng mga kababayan na. Ano?
Ano meron? Hindi, nandun si Ate Inday. May ginatang bilog.
Sige, sige. Mamaya na. Kain naman dito, Gang. Kain ako doon sa ano eh. Kanina. Busog ako sa ano, donuts kasi ni Banat Pai. Nagpabili kasi ni. Kuha naman.